Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pragmata game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, then select restart PS5. Now after your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button and enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, first go to the settings menu from the PS5 home screen. After that, select system, then select HDMI from the sidebar and here toggle enable HDCP to on or off, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5, click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Pragmata, then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, then click on network, then click on settings and click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press options button, then select advanced setting and then change DNS settings to manual. After that, here is the Google DNS, primary as well as secondary. After that, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to the network, then connection status. After that, click on test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is any update available, and after updating your game, launch it and check. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Then select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Pragmata. After that, check if the game is opening or not. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software and click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to reinstall Pragmata game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Pragmata game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.